All right, so now, you can't really see. That sucks. Anyways, it's super clean in there now. See? All of them are super clean. All new valves. I wish all of this, and I can't see down in there. That's a shame. Anyways, it's awesome. Looks really good, and I can't wait. Cams all went together well. Put the hold down bracket all in place. They seem to be pointing opposite directions, but I'm just going to count that that's correct. Scared about that. This cam cover, there's a chain in here. New chain, new everything. And on this side, the OTs line up, so, well, they do when you line them up. Like this. See? There. So it's all timed, ready to go. Just gotta put the exhaust manifold on and put it in the car. So we'll be done. Time it.